Friends, welcome. Whether you're here out of curiosity, excitement, or a desire to be part of something bigger, you're in the right place. Today, we're exploring a revolution in money, one that puts power in everyone's hands, not just banks or the wealthy. This is about more than just technology. It's about fairness, access, and opportunity for all. Imagine a world where anyone, anywhere, can join a new financial movement. No matter your background or where you live, you can participate and benefit. You are the pioneers at the frontier of digital money. You're not just observers, you're active participants in shaping this new era. Money has evolved from bartering to gold, to paper, to plastic cards, and now to digital currencies. Each step has brought us closer to a world where value moves faster and more freely. We're entering the age of decentralized digital money, where control shifts from institutions to people. This is a shift as big as the invention of the internet itself. Your smartphone isn't just for calls or entertainment, it's your gateway to a global financial network. With just a few taps, you can send, receive, and manage money across borders. Millions are already part of this shift, building a future where financial power is shared. Every day, more people are joining in, making this movement stronger. Terms like blockchain and cryptocurrency might sound complex, but today, we'll break it down simply. You don't need to be a tech expert to understand or benefit from this change. We'll explore a project making digital currency accessible to everyone, not just techies or investors. This is about bringing financial tools to families, friends, and communities everywhere. This is about community power and participation. When we work together, we can create something truly transformative. So, get comfortable and open your mind. Let's set aside old assumptions and get ready to see money in a whole new light. Let's embark on this journey to understand the future of money, together. The adventure starts now, and you're at the heart of it. You're not just learning, you're helping shape what comes next. Let's begin this exciting chapter and see what the future holds. So, what is this revolutionary project that's capturing the attention of millions around the world? It's called the Pi Network, and it's changing the way we think about money and technology. Pi Network is a groundbreaking cryptocurrency designed for everyday people. No expensive computers, no complicated setups, and no technical expertise required. Founded by a team of Stanford graduates, Pi's mission is to make digital currency accessible to everyone, everywhere, regardless of background or experience. The goal is ambitious: build the world's most inclusive peer-to-peer marketplace, powered entirely by Pi, where people from all walks of life can connect, trade, and thrive. Unlike traditional cryptocurrencies that require powerful hardware and lots of electricity, Pi can be mined right on your phone, using minimal resources and barely any battery. Today, billions of people around the globe still lack access to traditional banking services. Pi offers a simple, accessible solution that fits in your pocket. With just a smartphone, anyone can join the network, earn Pi every day, and participate in a brand new digital economy that's open to all. It's about empowerment, opportunity, and giving a voice to those who have been left behind by old financial systems. Pi isn't just another coin. It's a global movement for financial inclusion, aiming to unite people everywhere through technology. Join the Pi Network today and become part of this exciting change. Help shape the future of money and be a pioneer in the world's next digital revolution. What makes Pi coin stand out in a crowded world of cryptocurrencies? Why are so many people talking about it? It all comes down to three core principles: simplicity, security, and speed. These aren't just buzzwords. They're the foundation of Pi's vision. Simplicity. The Pi app is designed for everyone. All you need to do is tap once a day to earn Pi. There's no need for expensive hardware, complicated mining rigs, or any technical background. Security. Pi is built on the Stellar Consensus Protocol, which uses trusted circles to keep the network safe and reliable. This means your contributions help protect the entire ecosystem. By participating, you're not just earning. You're helping to secure a system that's resilient, decentralized, and truly community-driven. Speed. Pi transactions are confirmed in just seconds. This makes it practical for everyday purchases, whether you're grabbing a coffee or splitting a bill with friends. No more waiting for payments to clear. With Pi, you can buy coffee, shop online, or send money instantly, right from your phone. Pi's user-friendly design removes the barriers that have kept most people out of crypto. Anyone with a smartphone can join, regardless of age or experience. Pi isn't just for speculators or tech experts. It's for real people, in real life, making real transactions every day. Fast, secure, and simple. These are the building blocks for mass adoption, making digital money accessible to everyone. Pi is built for a truly global future, where anyone, anywhere, can participate and benefit from digital currency. The focus is on real-world utility, not hype or speculation. Pi aims to empower people and businesses alike. This is digital money designed for the world, a currency that connects people across borders and cultures. And the journey is just beginning. Pi is paving the way for a new era of accessible, secure, and fast digital finance. Pi Network redefines mining. No expensive hardware, no wasted energy. Traditional crypto mining is costly and environmentally damaging. Pi lets you mine coins by simply tapping your phone once a day. The app uses almost no battery or data. Your participation proves you're real. This is more like minting than mining, rewarding active, engaged users. The more you contribute and invite others, the more Pi you earn. It's fair, merit-based, and eco-friendly. Pi's approach is sustainable, designed for billions without harming the planet. A green cryptocurrency for a conscious world. Secure, fair, and responsible. Pi is digital money for everyone. A currency's value comes from what you can do with it. Pi's ecosystem is where digital coins meet real-world goods and services. Developers worldwide are building apps and marketplaces for Pi users. Imagine buying shoes or paying for a logo design with Pi. This is already happening. The enclosed mainnet lets pioneers test real transactions, building trust and utility. As more businesses accept Pi, its value grows beyond speculation. The ecosystem is community-driven, creating a positive feedback loop of growth. Real utility, not just hype, gives Pi lasting value. This is a digital economy built by and for its users. The future of money is practical, accessible, and community-powered. Pi's real power is its people. Tens of millions across 230-plus countries. Local communities are already using Pi for barter and trade, creating new opportunities. In places like Vietnam and Nigeria, pioneers exchange Pi for goods like rice or school supplies. Freelancers and artists worldwide offer services for Pi, connecting talent across borders. Each transaction, no matter how small, strengthens the network. Pi is more than numbers. It's a tool for empowerment and connection. Pioneers aren't waiting for the future. They're building it now. Every exchange builds trust and belief in this new economy. The movement is global, grassroots, and growing fast. Together, pioneers are shaping a fairer financial world. Why is Pi different from thousands of other cryptocurrencies? First, accessibility. Anyone with a smartphone can join and earn. Pi's fair distribution and mobile-first approach create a truly global network. Unlike coins that chase hype, Pi focuses on real-world utility before public trading. Its consensus protocol is secure, scalable, and eco-friendly. No massive energy waste. Pi's social trust model keeps it decentralized and fast. The vision goes beyond currency. Pi aims to be a Web3 platform for decentralized apps. Developers can reach millions, not just a few. It's a platform for innovation, not just speculation. Pi stands out for its fairness, technology, and community-driven mission. Now imagine Pi in your own life or business. What if your cafe or online store accepted Pi? You'd tap into a global, passionate community. No more high fees or currency hassles, just direct peer-to-peer payments. Freelancers and creators could offer skills to the world and get paid instantly in Pi. This is a chance to be an innovator, not just a bystander. Early adoption can set you apart and open new markets. Yes, there are questions and risks, but the opportunity is real. What would it take for you to accept Pi? What could you achieve? The digital economy is coming. Will you be ready? The first step is yours to take. We've explored digital money's evolution and Pi's unique vision. The future of finance is being built now, and your participation matters. Will we stick with old systems, or help create a more inclusive, decentralized model? Pi is a bold experiment. Its success depends on its community. Learn more, ask questions, and talk with others about what digital money could mean for you. What would it take for you to trust and use a digital currency? Don't just watch. Be part of the conversation shaping tomorrow's economy. The world is changing fast. Stay curious and informed. Whether you join or observe, the evolution of money affects us all. The future is something we build together. Thanks for joining this journey. Let's keep the conversation going.